Doesn't go more. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I haven't said anything much yet, but we pulled through to Minted. Hello Brandon. There's Lloyd at the background, Dylan's here as well. So yeah, just came for a little chill there. Lloyd was doing something to his car, but didn't work out that well because his sway bar's bolt is a bit screwed. I'm considering getting other wheels sometime soon. I want to go back to 17s, and I want you guys to tell me what you guys think in the comments down below of the car with the 17 on. So check it out. Lloyd's being a lazy ass back there. Oh, fucking screen brightness. There we go. So, you guys saw 15 is back on now. I don't know, I dig the 17s. Lloyd doesn't want to give me his wheels for a weekend. See, that's his reaction. It's fucked up. But anyway, so let us know down below what you guys think about the fucking 17s on the Figo. Obviously the car's not finished yet, so it's going in this week for some other small mods and touch-ups, so stay tuned for that on the channel. Yeah, underneath a nice little jacaranda tree. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Thank you for supporting. Sorry the videos have been so scarce about the Figo especially, but the content is coming back now. So keep supporting, keep following, keep liking, keep subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep the positive vibes flowing.
Memphis, man.